Hi everybody, Heidi here. It starts at 8. I wanted to talk to you about something that my grandson and I have been using and playing. It's called Beast Academy Playground. As you can see here on my screen, I'm at Beast Academy Playground. It's beastacademy.com/playground. And what they have is math games for kids 4 and up. Now, these are not online math games. These are games you play what they call tabletop games. You play them on your tabletop. So as I scroll down, you'll see that they have filters. So you can narrow by age what you want to look for. And you can also narrow by activity type: number games, shape games, abstract games, arts and crafts, physical activities, and curiosities. I'm just going to go ahead and click number games here. And we're going to take a look. So you can see as we scroll, they have all kinds of games to choose from. And they use basic household objects like coins, dice, dominoes, a deck of cards, markers, anything like that. So it's really easy to find the supplies and create these games in your home. When you click on a game, let's just click on a game here, you'll see that they have the information about the game from the ages that they think it's appropriate for to the number of players. And it starts out with an instructional video. So every game has its own instructional video as well as written instructions. And a lot of them also have images too, like if there's things you're drawing on a piece of paper or things you're doing, they will also have those. Let's see if we can find one just so you can see. So yeah, so you also have images to go along with it, the materials that you need. And every game I've seen, let's see if it's the same with this, has variations. And yes, they do. So it's not only the first game that they teach you, but there's variations as well. And my 8-year-old grandson and I have been playing some of these games. They've been super easy to set up and do. And he and I are just really enjoying playing around with these and having some fun with math. So if you want to develop your child's love for math and building their problem-solving confidence, I highly recommend you add Beast Academy Playground to your list of favorites. They add new videos every week. There are always fun new games to play. So be sure to come on over to Starts at 8 and check out my review. I'll link to it here in the description box, as well as the link to Beast Academy Playground, so you can take a look. And then you can start playing math games with your budding beast today.